We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide in Mysterious Red Sun Glow. We have dual disc braking up in the front, custom dynamic lights, rider floorboards and passenger pegs, and the heel toe shifter with the Harley-Davidson pegs on it. We also have the Harley-Davidson grips, locking saddlebags, and quick release accessory for a backrest. Beautiful seat with black studs. We have the 103 high output engine and tons of beautiful chrome from the engine guards all the way to the Vans & Hines full system. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.